Alrighty guys, we are down at the Gnangara Pines for the T60 event, which is pretty cool. Now, obviously not every vehicle's a T60, as you can see behind me. That certainly isn't a T60. Maybe next year's model, I don't know. We've got all range of cars. We've got stocks, we've got mildly modified like mine, and if I'm gonna spin around here, what we can see at the front are the more modified T60s. There we go, with Aaron's right there. It's gonna be a good one.
I don't think you'll make it, I'll be surprised. Oh, he's done it. Yes, go you good thing.
Alright, well that about wraps up the T60 event. As you can see, a lot of fun. All sorts of T60s here. We got built ones, we got standard ones, the old stockies, and of course my interesting rig. But they all did everything pretty damn well, I reckon. So what a day out. Got a 4-hour drive ahead of us now, another 400 kilometers back home. But yeah, keen as. Thank you very much to Aaron for organising it. Amazing event. Thank you for lunch. And yeah, well led, mate, well led. Looking forward to the next one.
So, have you had fun today, guys?
I've had much fun. And food.
And food. Have you drunk enough water?
No. I have a slight headache. I do need to drink more water.
You might have to drink some beer when you get home as well.
Some beer? Probably. That's 4 hours away though.
It is.
Water in the meantime?
Yes. Indeed. Right. Let's do it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.